Hey everyone! Did you know how you eat your meals is just as important as what you eat? Today, I'm going to share the ultimate guide to eating food in a healthy way, including the correct order to eat your food for maximum benefits. Stick around, this might completely transform your health. Protein is king. Start your meals with protein, like chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils. Why? Because protein slows down digestion, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, it's essential for building muscles, boosting metabolism, and even balancing hormones. Imagine eating your favorite meals while staying in shape. Protein makes that possible. After protein, move on to your veggies. Vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support digestion, improve gut health, and give your body the nutrients it craves. Think of them as the superheroes of your plate. They fight off diseases, keep your skin glowing, and help you feel amazing from the inside out. And finally, enjoy your carbs. Carbs are not the villain, but they are best eaten after protein and veggies. Why? Eating carbs last reduces sugar spikes, improves energy levels, and ensures your body uses carbs efficiently without storing excess fat. Choose healthy carbs like brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes for long-lasting energy. This eating order, protein, veggies, then carbs, helps control your blood sugar levels. It's a game changer for weight management, preventing diabetes, and avoiding that post-meal crash. You'll feel more energetic and stay full longer, all while supporting your gut and overall health. Now let's make mealtime even better with these tips. 1. Chew slowly. Take your time to chew each bite. It helps digestion and stops overeating. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water 30 minutes before eating to improve digestion. 3. Don't multitask. Focus on your food, not your phone, for a better eating experience. And here's a pro tip. Use smaller plates to trick your brain into feeling full with less food. Eat breakfast like a king. It jumpstarts your metabolism. Have lunch like a prince. It's your body's refueling time. And dinner like a pauper. Keep it light to sleep better and wake up refreshed. Did you know that the environment you eat in can impact your digestion? Eat in a calm, happy space, and your body will thank you with better digestion and improved nutrient absorption. So there you have it, the secret formula to eating food in a healthy way: protein first, veggies next, and carbs last. Remember, food is your fuel, and eating right doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be mindful. Start making these changes today, and watch your energy, digestion, and overall health improve like never before.